Hey, it's Annie. Today I'm going to give you my honest review and installation of this really nice paper towel dispenser that was sent to me by the company. That will in no way affect my opinion, but I'm going to show you how it all goes down. So I'm trying to get a little bit more creative how to reduce costs in the household. I'm going to stop getting those grocery store paper towels, which are incredibly expensive, as you know. Instead, I'm going to start stocking up on commercial paper towels, and that's why I really wanted to try out this dispenser. I also think that having this dispenser here with the folded paper towels will save on how much we're actually using as well, because whenever we're using the roll, the kids inevitably pull out way too much before they rip it off. We're going to have single paper towels coming out at a time, which I think will be a really big help for our family. This baby comes with a pair of keys. It also comes with all of your screws and anchors as needed. It's a really simple installation. I'm going to prove it to you. I've already gotten all of my tools out. You're going to need a drill, some drill bit. You have the option to do an anchor. So if you're using drywall, you use the plastic anchor and then put the screw in, and it looks like it's a Phillips head type of screw. Before you get started, I'd suggest having a pencil, opening up the dispenser, and using this as a template to mark your spots. I'm actually going to drill right into the beams. They're usually like about 2 feet apart. We've already tested the wall to make sure that we're not drilling into any wires or anything that's going to cause trouble. So we're good to go. I've picked a small drill bit, and I'm going to be drilling pilot holes into the wood using the length of that screw. By creating a pilot hole, it'll take a little bit of the pressure off the wood and prevent it from fracturing or cracking later on. The good news is that the holes in the back of the dispenser have a little bit of tolerance. So if you're a little bit off on the measurement of the holes, it's forgiving. The keyhole is on top. That's where you're going to lock and open it when you're ready to refill it. Otherwise, if it's not locked, it'll just flip open. I'll show you how this works. Pretty simple. Just turn it the one way. Flips open like that. Now I'm going to change the drill bit to a screw. I think I got it. You just take this and aim for the bigger holes and then just let it slide right into place. Pretty easy. Now, like I said, you need your key to keep it closed. In a bit, I'll fill this up, just putting them right here sideways, and then flip it on up and lock the key in place. It's very sturdy. Now that I've handled this a bit, you can see there's fingerprints all over, but that's okay. It's stainless steel and super easy to clean. Yeah, little multi-purpose, glass cleaner, any of that, stainless steel cleaner, pretty much anything would work. I hope that was helpful to you. And of course, I'm giving this my recommendation. Great product, really amazing quality. This is made to last. This is industrial, but it's really perfect for a house like ours.